Kondeipi, what's up? Dini mfana wenyu, Zimbabwe kid. This is your boy, Zimbabwe kid. And this is Learn to Speak Shona with your boy. Today, I'll teach you guys 2 Shona proverbs. There are a lot of Shona proverbs. These are, sayings or proverbs, wise words that were handed down by, the ancient guys, the ancient versions of ZKam. So, here's 2 proverbs for you guys, some words of wisdom from the ancients. The first one is Nzou hairemerwi nenyanga dzayo. Nzou hairemerwi nenyanga dzayo. Nzou is an elephant. Nyanga is the elephant tusks. And a lot of elephants have big tusks. So the proverb is basically saying the elephant is not weighed down by its own tusks, no matter how big. And what this is saying, this proverb is saying, is each person has their own burden in life. Some have something that's big, some have something that's small, but regardless of what you have in your life, it will not overweigh you. It will not, it will not defeat you, as it were, because it's a part of who you are, and you can carry it, in a sense. So that's the first proverb. The elephant is not weighed down by its own tusks, and that is Nzou hairemerwi nenyanga dzayo. You can say that to your friends and, say, I have an ancient Shona proverb for you, and you can say that. The second one is Mvura, haitori, warema. Mvura, haitori, warema, which basically means, munhu anozvichengeta, in netsika. Basically, if you follow, what it's saying is if you follow the rules or things you were taught as a kid, you rarely get into trouble. You know that saying where people always say, mama told me, mama told me. Mama's always telling you things that will get you out of trouble. But as kids, we always say, mom just doesn't want me to have fun, or dad doesn't want me to have fun, or things of that nature. But these adults have been through experience. You know what I'm saying? So they've been through all that you've been through, just in a different version. They might not have had technology, but they've been through relationships. They've been through breakups, makeups. They've been through a lot of that stuff, So a lot of the stuff they tell you, they know about it, and they're telling you from experience. And that's basically the second proverb, Mvura, haitori, warema. And that's it for today's Learn to Speak Shona. Dini mfana wenyu, Zimbabwe kid. This is your boy, Zimbabwe kid, saying Maneru. Good evening. Peace.